Welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Library's tutorial on how to find books. First, on the library's homepage, go to the search box and enter a search. We'll use college students. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu. Click Print Books. Those are the books that are on the shelves. Here's our result number. You can use the various limiters such as date. Library collection is the important one. Click Circulating. Those are the books that are on the shelves. As you browse through the results, look at one that looks interesting. Right here, that's your call number. That is the Library of Congress call number, which is the location of the book on the shelf. You can jot that number down or you can take a quick photo. If you want to see more about the book, click the link. Here's a picture of the cover. Here's the citation, permalink, email, short description right here, related books. But the most important part is right here, the Library of Congress call number. Take that. Bring it to the shelves. If you need any help, ask a reference librarian. To borrow the book, just bring it downstairs with a photo ID, and the book is yours for up to 4 months. Thanks.